So we're going to do a little bit more Homebuyer 101. We're going to continue with that throughout the week. So last week I started in with underwriting and, pay stubs needing to match. So today we're going to talk about something that I see happen a lot, where every single time I'm like, why? Just why does this why does this happen? So let me tell you what is happening. If you guys need to sell something for your down payment, for your closing costs, sell it now, not right when you get in contract, okay? So I hear this a lot. Like I'll be qualifying someone and I'll be like, hey, your credit's good, this is good, but you have no money. So what's our plan with the funds? Because, we're going to need some closing costs. If you're not doing VA, we're going to need a down payment, 3%, 3.5%. Where is the money coming from? And what I hear a lot is, oh, well, I'm going to sell a car. Or, oh, I've got a boat I'm going to sell. Or, oh, I've got some gold I'm going to sell. Or some this or that or this or that. And the bottom line is the time to sell those items is now. It's before you're in contract. And the reason's twofold. Number one, you're being, how do I say this? You're being dishonest with the seller. Okay, that's the first thing. If you're writing your an offer and you're saying it's 3% down, and you and I both know you have to sell a car to get that 3%, odds are you're not putting that in your purchase contract, but you really should be, because the sale closing's contingent on you selling a car. Now, what I've seen happen time and time again is that car that was going to be so easy to sell, oh my God, I can sell it in a day, doesn't sell. Yeah, it doesn't sell. So the transaction drags out, extension. Oh, I'm almost there. Oh, I can feel it. Oh, someone saw it. Car doesn't sell. Whole thing blows up. Why put everyone through that? Just why? Just why? If your down payment's coming from a car, sell it now. Yeah, sell it now. And sometimes people are like, well, if I don't get the house, I don't want to get rid of the car. Well, you're definitely limiting your ability to get the house if you're holding on to that car, okay? And a lot of sellers require proof of funds. Now, if you find your dream house and you're excited, your husband's excited, everyone's excited, oh my God, it's a dream house, and the seller wants proof of funds and you have $5 in your bank account because your down payment's coming from the sale of a car, what are you gonna do? Are you gonna show them a picture of the car on Craigslist? I mean, if I was selling my house and it was contingent on someone selling a car and I had another offer, I would be like, bye, like you should have sold that car before you even started shopping. Assuming that something's going to sell quick and easy never works. And I don't know if it's just like a jinx you put on yourself or if it's the universe being like, no, it's never easy. Never. Okay. Now, the other thing to know, if you're like, okay, Jen, I get it. I'm going to sell before I start shopping. Okay. So step one, make sure you qualify for a loan. Step two, sell the item. Step three, then talk to a realtor and go shopping. Step four, get into contract. Should we do that again? Let's do it again. Pre-approval with the lender, contingent on the sale of the item. Sell the item. Contact a realtor. Go shopping. That is the order. The order is not go shopping with a realtor. Try to get a pre-approval. Get into contract. Pray you can sell the item. That is what I see so much, and that is a no. It's a no. It's a hard no. No. Okay, so you're taking my advice. Thank you. You're going to sell your car or whatever it is prior to, maybe it's like collectibles, Beanie Babies. I don't know what it is. I see a lot of interesting stuff. The next thing you guys need to know is it has to be paper trailed, documented. So for instance, if you're selling the car, we're going to want to see the ad. We're going to want to see the check or the deposit from the buyer of the car. We're going to want to see the title transfer. Yeah, we got a paper trail that $10,000 that's suddenly in your account, we have to paper trail that it's legit because we have that requirement as a lender. People are always like, well, it's money. Why do you care? Oh my God, I wish I didn't have to care. You have no idea. But we have to paper trail everything. It is in the guidelines. It is not a lender specific thing to Guaranteed Rate or myself. It is the guidelines. So make sure you paper trail this. If you're selling stuff on eBay, once again, listing of the item. And in some cases, you have to be able to show proof that you own the item. That's another thing that we see. So it's very important that you talk to a lender about this thing, these items. You sell these items and then you shop. So if you have any questions, comments, let me know. But I'm just telling you guys, I see this go. I see people lose houses because they weren't ready to sell whatever this item is that they plan to sell to get the house. So if you want the house, sell the item even before you see the house, the dream house. Otherwise, you risk losing it because of delays in selling. And what if you can't get the price you thought you could get? Yeah. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys tomorrow.